Ganyan na siya pag umanda. May automatic avoidance siya. So, hindi siya kinokontrol ng kahit sino. Automatic siyang gagalaw. Then, iiwas sa mga obstacles. So, ito yung version 1 natin. Ayan, ito na si version 2. So, may UI siya ng mga tanong. And then, may facial recognition. So, pag na-detect niya ako, yung mukha ko, stop siya and then mag-start na siya magtanong.
Hi, Christian. Christian, I have some reminders for you. Do you want me to proceed? I'm listening.
My answer is yes.
Did you say yes?
And the next question siya.
Christian, have you organized your clothes? I'm listening.
My answer is yes. I already organized my clothes.
Did you say yes, I already organized my clothes? Christian, did you charge your tablet already?
Tapos pag nawala ako,
I'm listening.
nag-under ulit yun. Pero pag nakita niya ulit ako, tuloy niya lang ulit yung tanong.
Hi, Christian.
Yan.
Christian, did you charge your tablet already? I'm listening.
My answer is yes.
Did you say yes?